Welcome back to cryptogains for another video, bringing you this mini series, crypto for beginners, first steps, especially for the new people that are getting into crypto, seeing lots of interest. If you're someone that watches the channel already, share this to your friend or family. They probably want to know how to buy some crypto, how to get into it. I'm making it super simple for them. Yeah, not financial advice as well, educational video. When we on the last video, I was introducing you guys to CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. I was showing you just the basics, the simple steps, how to find these coins. What do you look for and how to find it? And this is the index where we find all the coins, right? And I showed you how you can click on a coin. If you haven't seen it, make sure you check the last video, so we can guide you on your journey. I showed you, how to find the website and how you can look at the coin. I talked a little bit about looking into their socials as well, like the Twitter and stuff. So now, and then I also spoke to you about this as well, which was the KuCoin, the exchanges, where you should join up to. And I recommended join up to KuCoin and MEXC. Get my words mixed up. That's because these are easy exchanges. They're very easy to get onto, very easy to buy loads of new coins because they take, they take on loads of new coins. Most exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, they won't list new coins. These ones tend to list the new coins, giving you that chance to get in very early on some good coins. So that's why I say go over to there, right? Now I want to kind of dive into a bit more about what you should be doing really before you buy crypto, because some people rush and buy and they don't actually think about, well, for me, the most important thing is protecting your investment. When I got into crypto many years ago, I've been here since 2015, I've made a serious amount of money. My first thing was, how do I protect my investment? Like, if I'm going to be putting more than £500, and I'll say the same to you, if you're going to invest more than I say in dollars, if you're going to invest more than $500, like seriously, you should consider looking at a way to seriously protect your investment. Now, for the most part, these exchanges, KuCoin, MEXC, all the other ones, Crypto.com and Binance, they're okay for now. You can buy cryptocurrency on there. Like, you've got simple tabs at the top left, buy crypto, take your debit card, buy it, done. Very simple, right? You search for the coin and you buy it. But for the most part, these are the companies that are controlling your cryptocurrency. What do I mean? They have control of it. If for any reason MEXC was to go down and just go bust as a company, whatever money you've got in this exchange, let's say you got $10,000 on there because you made some good money, all of a sudden you lose your $10,000. And you can't do nothing because you decided to allow them to custody your cryptocurrency. You allowed them to hold your cryptocurrency. So I suppose this episode is going to be really about focusing on, protecting your crypto, making sure you have control of it rather than these exchanges or leaving it on the exchange. Now, it's okay. I do tend to leave some cryptocurrency on the exchange, but I'm only going to leave on there what I really feel if for any reason the exchange goes bust, which I don't think these will, to be honest. I don't think MEXC or KuCoin will. But saying that, one of the biggest exchanges in the last cycle just collapsed, and that's called FTX. And I know a lot of people, a lot of big influencers as well, that lost huge amounts of money because of the FTX exchange collapsed. So one thing I've learned is to not put all your eggs in one basket. Do not leave all your money on the exchanges. It's best to have security. So you're thinking, well, how else do I do it? We got these things in the crypto space called Ledger Nanos. You got a few things. You got Trezors and Ledgers. These are basically like a little, have I got it on me? I haven't got it on me. It's like a little USB stick. And this USB stick takes your crypto off the exchange and then you can hold on to it offline, protect it. I highly recommend if you're going to put more than $500 to invest in something like this. I prefer Ledger Nano. I've been using Ledger Nano for many years. And so far, I haven't had any problems with Ledger Nano, right? So, and if you're going to buy this, don't rush to Amazon. Don't go to eBay. You're going to get scammed so fast if you rush to Amazon and eBay to try and buy it cheap, because that's what people do. You want to buy it cheap. You don't want to spend... No, don't do it, because people hack them. And they wait for the right time. They wait for you to put thousands or hundreds of pounds on there, and then they steal it from you. Don't do it. Get it directly from the Ledger website. And if you want, I've got a link in the info section. It's up to you if you want to click it, or you can just do ledger.com. But the link in the info section is like a referral. It takes you over here. You're on the website, and then you can click it and buy. So I think I've still got a link there. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. But anyway, you can come over to ledger.com and grab some of this. And you just need a simple one, a simple ledger. Simple Ledger Nano. So let me scroll down. Where's the products? Here we go. Ledger Nano. I would recommend the Ledger Nano S Plus. There's a bunch of different ones. They all do the same thing. But in the old days, when you bought the Ledger Nano, you could only hold a certain amount of coins on there. Now they're really advanced. You know, the Ledger Nano S Plus can practically hold hundreds and hundreds of coins. Hundreds of coins. You can invest in loads and loads of coins without having to worry. So the Ledger Nano S Plus is a good way to store your cryptocurrency, and I highly recommend you get this if you want to take this investment serious. And then obviously once you get it, you can set it up. There's many videos on YouTube showing you how to set up the Ledger Nano. Go check that out. This is just again simple guide before you buy. Trust me, I was really quick to rush and buy. Back then it was XRP, and I was buying XRP at 007, 008. I was rushing. I just wanted to buy it. I just needed it, right? But I also knew that I needed to protect my investment. So these are the very simple steps that you must take to make sure that you're going to be safe in crypto. Ledger Nano. Look, choose your color. They've got some nice colors here. Well, that one looks nice. I ain't seen that one. And then when you're happy with it, buy it, order it, done. And then once you get it, you can now start coming over to KuCoin, over to Mexi, and then you can, buy whichever cryptocurrencies you like. And then, I will talk about cryptos. I mean, if you want to skip these and look at the coins I've been sharing, you just go on the channel. I'm showing them gems all the time, which are really, great projects to get into that can make really big gains. But I think this episode, I want to keep this short and sweet and simple, just talking about protecting your cryptocurrency before you buy. I think it's a must. So please head over to Ledger, grab yourself that. And then at least that way, when you do start to come into this, I call it down the rabbit hole and through the looking glass, at least you now know that you're going to be able to protect your investment. And I might bring another video on how to, buy. I'll bring loads of stuff that you need to know, but let's just keep it simple. Again, so once you're over here on CoinGecko, the next video that I'm going to bring you, I want to sort of dive into the tokenomics of cryptocurrency, right? Because I spoke about how to find a coin, spoken about how you can buy the coin, spoken about how to protect it, and there's a setup. They give you a little setup guide when you get it. You can you can go through the thing and set it up. I think the next thing to really learn is what to buy. What you're probably thinking, well, what do I buy? Right? Bring it in the next video. I'm gonna leave it here. Short, sweet, and simple. If you liked it, drop the like, stick around, subscribe to the channel. Check out the next video coming, okay? Cheers. Never be defeated.